Oishe, what happened?
Shukura, long time no see you. Where did you go?
Aunty Afusa, you know I'm in school, that's why.
I thought as much. Eh? Your face won't scarce anyhow.
My from the label, Katori Ranko, Ujuma Febo.
What are you doing?
Our teacher gave us an assignment on further math, so I'm trying to do it.
Further maths.
Yes.
During my days in school, I used to go 99 over 100 in further maths.
So you are saying you are very good at further math, Abi? Okay, oh.
Further maths, that's. When I finish further maths, I graduate to calculus, to statistics, any calculus. Anything calculation, we are together.
Aunty Afusa, you are distracting me. I'm doing calculation here.
So let me see what you are doing. Maybe I can explain something that is not here or there.
Don't worry. Somebody even tell yourself you cannot know it.
What is as not worry? Elderly person that is older than you is trying to teach you something. You are doing arrogance or nigberaga. Instead of you to calm down, let me teach you some things from my past experience. You are telling me as to not worry. Okay, I want to worry. What do you want to know about further matters that I did not know? I'll pass through your stage. Danu. Further matters, statistics. I know it's in me.
Okay, Aunty Afusa.
Yes.
What topics are in further math?
It's about to go down.
What topics are in further math?
Shebi Nkuma don talk say I should not worry. Let me concentrate on my bread. Shukura, I don't need to worry again.